Hey there! Ever wondered what the buzz about cryptocurrency is all about? Well, stay tuned because I'm here to break it down for you. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they're not controlled by any central authority like a bank or government. Now, you might be asking, how does it work? At its core, cryptocurrency operates on a technology called blockchain. Imagine a public ledger, but digital. This ledger records all transactions made with the cryptocurrency, and it's maintained across multiple computers. This makes it super secure and transparent. One of the most famous cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of different cryptocurrencies have popped up, each with unique features and uses. So why use cryptocurrency? First, it's fast and global. You can send money to anyone, anywhere, without the need for intermediaries like banks. Second, it's secure. Thanks to cryptography, it's very hard to counterfeit or double spend. Lastly, it offers some level of anonymity. While transactions are transparent, the identities behind them can remain private. But remember, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile, and their legal status varies by country. Always do your research before diving in. And that's a quick rundown on cryptocurrency. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.